Hey guys, Mike with Mike Build. Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you all very much for watching all my other videos and giving me feedback. I love it and I appreciate all of it. So in today's video, I want to try to power this golf cart using the diesel generator that we built in another video. So let me explain. Basically, I bought this golf cart relatively cheap on Facebook Marketplace. It's a 2008 E-Z-Go RXV. And the cool thing about the RXV is it has an AC motor drive system, so that's kind of cool. And it comes stock with 48 volts of lead acid batteries. So these are, you know, they work. The cart does run and drive. It's a little bit clapped out. It's definitely been hammered all its life. And I don't know, golf carts are just kind of fun because you can kind of climb anything and they have a lot of torque. This particular one goes about 20 miles an hour. I want to make a bunch of videos on this thing. You'll probably see a lot more of this on the channel as we just kind of experiment and do random things with it. The idea for this video is I want to take the golf cart and I want to tow it with this setup. So basically this will be towed behind the golf cart and I'm going to have this running while the golf cart's driving and it's going to be charging the batteries at the same time. So basically I'm going to set the governor on this to output the same voltage as the batteries resting, and then once we put a load on it, power will flow from this into the golf cart itself, and that's it. We'll have like a diesel electric golf cart. We can extend the range of this and we can just kind of see if it'll even work. In practice, you'd be able to get a lot more range with this. So it's basically like a range extender, but I think it'd be really cool to do. It's a diesel. A lot of you guys have been wanting to do some more diesel content with this little engine. Pull it behind the golf cart, use it as a generator, and while we're driving the golf cart around, we're gonna see how it runs, how it tows. I don't know if I want to go 20 miles an hour on this little car, but we're gonna try it. There's no hitch on the golf cart, so I do need to build that first, but that's not gonna be a big deal. And then all we have to do is run a cable from that to the golf cart's batteries with a shunt and a switch between it. That way if something goes crazy, I can just disconnect it quickly, and then that's it. So we're gonna hook this up, wire it all up, run it, and we're gonna go drive the golf cart around and just kind of see what it does. And yeah, it'd be kind of crazy, but I think it would work really well. Also, it's probably gonna be very janky, so just a heads up. All right, so now we're gonna check the battery's resting voltage in order to determine how fast we have to spin the generator. All right, 50.34. So all we got to do is set the generator to 50.34 volts, and then as soon as this gets a load on it, it'll start charging. But right now we're gonna go for a drive, and I'm gonna measure the voltage as we're driving just to see what the voltage sag is, just to get an idea how good or bad these batteries are. So I guess I'm gonna have to hook some wires up in order to measure while we're driving, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's see if you don't explode these batteries.
I don't want to explode the batteries, definitely not.
No terminal needed. Hopefully it doesn't fall off and it's just...
That's what I'm thinking. I'm afraid it's gonna fall off while we're driving, but I think I'm gonna zip tie it to here so it's secured.
Oh, okay.
Sounds like your truck just started.
Are you doing it to the main ones?
Yeah. Ooh.
She ain't happy.
I don't know why it's like acting like there's voltage going through it right now. Oh, the golf cart's on. That would probably help. I am scared though. Lead acid batteries scare me because of the acid. All right, it's kind of sort of in there. Next, so now we got the power cable connected. We're gonna use this to measure the voltage while we're riding around, and then when we go to connect the generator to it, it's just gonna plug right in. So that'll make that super easy. So I'm gonna secure that with a zip tie, close the seat, and we should be good. What I wanted to originally do is add a fuse and a switch and all that, but we're just gonna test it really, really fast, and we're just gonna hope nothing bad happens.
It should be good.
We're not gonna hook the trailer up yet because I actually don't know how we're gonna hook this up, to be real honest with you.
We're gonna put some zip ties.
So I'm gonna zip tie the wire right here. That way it can't pull out of the batteries. So that's pretty much like, I'm pretty sure this is how they would have done it at the factory. So now we know what the cart's gonna be doing. So we're gonna do a drive now, see how low the voltage gets, and then we're gonna hook the generator up and do the same test, and then just kind of mess around, I guess.
Let's see.
Let's do it. This does have a screen, so you're probably gonna have to like hold this with your hand while we're driving just to see how much power we're making.
All right, bet.
You be able to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, bet. Get it up on the street, go full speed. Look at the regen, look, it puts power back in.
Heck yeah.
That's kind of cool. I'm at it. All right, so as y'all saw, it dipped down to 42. We're still at 49 volts. So now we're gonna connect the generator cart, wire it all up, get it started, and go drive around and just see what it does. What do you think? It's gonna work?
Yeah, we'll see.
All right, we're getting the cart rolled to the front. Now we're gonna figure out how to attach it to the golf cart.
Yeah.
All right, so I got the trailer tires aired up. We got the belt tensioners adjusted. We have it connected. As you can see, we have voltage. And I guess if this starts to go bad, just yank the connector out. Yeah, that's probably our plan B. We have the trailer hitch connected, as you can see. So here's the whole setup.
We shall see what happens.
Got the starter right here. Hopefully it has enough juice. All right, we're gonna get this thing in the street and I'll start recording again. All right, first we're gonna drive it down the street. Brandon's gonna record how the cart looks just driving, then we're gonna start it and see if the golf cart gets some power. You ready?
Yeah, let's see. good. Yeah.
All right, guys. So say you're driving along, enjoying your golf cart, you know, just chilling or whatever, and your battery dies. What are you gonna do? Oh no! I'll show y'all how we're gonna do this.
My Uber driver at? Oh, okay. What the?
What's up, man? Brandon?
Yep.
Oh, I'm your Uber, bro. Hop on in.
All right, what's all this?
Yeah, don't worry about all that.
I smell some diesel.
Yeah, it's diesel powered.
Oh,
it's actually a hybrid. I kind of want to go off-road it.
We should.
I don't know how much we should push our luck with it, though.
What do you mean?
I don't know. You gotta hold it there. It's heavy.
I was doing it earlier a little bit. We're testing the off-road capability. Oh, shit.
I'm trying to go up the jump.
All right.
All right, guys, so as y'all can see, I'm sorry for the wind, it's working perfect. The diesel engine is awesome. It's been running just fine. Everything's holding up. And that's it. Now we're gonna silently drive back to the house. Yeah, don't lose our starter. All right, let's go. As y'all can see, it worked better than I expected. The generator did awesome. I thought it was gonna roll more cold, but it really never did. So as y'all saw, the more I got on it, the more amps it pulled and the belt started to slip a little bit. And that's because the voltage dips on the batteries. It's gonna push more amps through, but it worked amazing. It actually worked a lot better than I thought. So in theory, I could literally just drive the golf cart around with this attached. Obviously, if I had a better hitch setup, it'd be a little less sketchy and we would have unlimited range on the golf cart. So that's kind of cool. I think I want to try it next on vegetable oil. I think a lot of people want to see that. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know what you guys want to see me do next with this or the golf cart or a combination of the two or neither. Thank y'all very much for watching. Catch y'all in the next video.